stainless steel table for the Uuni Pro. Just ordered it off Amazon. I think it's like a catering table. I'm just gonna start to get this out and put it together. So I got one with wheels. Like no instructions. Just a bag of screws. Okay, there should be some logic here. The screws must go in there, but I just wish they'd put some instruction in here. Like, I don't ever want to do that again. With no instructions, it's a bit of a guessing game. I think I've done it right. This stuff is really horrible to take off. I'm going to spend hours having to remove this sticky stuff to protect the stainless steel, but I've done it, and I think that's going to hold. Wait, is that wonky? That should be able to hold the Uuni Pro. So this is a catering table with wheels and brakes. It's pretty sturdy and solid. I can just wheel it against the wall behind me. I'm going to keep it outside. I can't carry the Uuni Pro in and out of the garage, it's just too heavy. But I'm just going to see now if the Uuni Pro actually fits on here. This is the moment of truth. Yay! I know I've got it backwards. It fits perfectly. Oh, I'm really pleased. That looks really good. When I've taken all this horrible plasticky stuff. Look at this storm. We had rain, and so much rain and flooding, and the wind is really high. So I don't think I'm going to be making pizza for another few days, which is a shame when there's more rain coming over there. I thought I'd build my table instead. I'm liking my table a lot. That's a nice height for me to cook at, because I like sitting down when I cook, so I can see the pizza without having to get up and down or bending over. It's perfect. I'm really pleased. A nice shelf to put all my paraphernalia on. I'm going to get the barbecue cover now and see if that fits. So this is the barbecue cover I got from Amazon as well, and it's very big. Actually, it's probably too big because I wanted to make sure that it really covered everything. The inside fabric, and that's the outside fabric. It's starting to look as if it's going to rain. Just try and get this quickly on here. It just started to rain, and I think that's a bit big, but I'd rather it be a bit big than too small. It's got a Velcro strap at the bottom, and I can tie it together so that the wind doesn't blow it away. I haven't put the legs up yet on the Uuni Pro, so I'm looking forward to building the Uuni now and keeping it under there when I don't need it. In between the rain, I've now taken all that stuff off the table, which is still bits left, but I got most of it off. I think I've got to screw something in here, so I'm going to get the part now quickly before it rains again and screw that bit in there. It's that part. Hand tighten the nuts. Put that part on there. I've got some nuts. Is that how you do it? It doesn't look right. I've got the bar the wrong way. The bar goes in that way and on there. So I've done that. And now I've got to put the chimney on. Goes notch in there and And then a catch. Ah, done. Okay. And this goes in the back. So I think it's done, apart from the stones. Stones go, I know this is the first time I've ever done this, so I'm guessing. Ooh, did they go on this? Oh, hang on, that can't be right. There's something not right here. Did they go on the top? Like that? Oh, I think they do. They go on the top. Be careful not to break these. Ooh. Oh, I like that. That one. Oops. Oh my gosh. And there you are. The stones and the door. And the door on. I don't think it's ever going to be this clean again. So I thought, be nice to show it looking all sparkly and clean. That's a 72-inch cover, but that's covered the whole thing, even with the chimney on. And yeah, I'm pretty pleased with that. Just going to tighten this up here. It's stored against the wall in a sheltered spot. Sorted.